Hey guys, happy Makeup Monday. This week's Makeup Monday episode is going to be very interesting and I'm very excited about it. One of my favorite parts of my role as beauty and style editor of the Haitian Times is that I get to test out and try and discover new Haitian-owned businesses. That includes t-shirt companies and jewelry companies, but also all kinds of beauty companies, including makeup, skincare, and hair care. So today I'm going to share with you guys some newly discovered, newly tried, or just some of my go-to favorite holy grail Haitian-owned business products. So let's get right into it. The first brand that I want to haul products from, you guys already know how much I love them, so it should be no surprise. Good old-fashioned Kreyol Essence. So Kreyol Essence, or Kreyol Essence, however you want to pronounce it, is a brand that produces natural products using homegrown ingredients. So they do work in Haiti. They employ women. They are a company that is really on the grassroots level when it comes to enacting change and working with the community to create awesome products. So I've already tried a bunch of products, but I hadn't tried a facial cleanser. So I bought the 100% natural Haitian Moringa facial cleanser. And you know, summer is coming and everybody's worrying about their summer bodies. You're gonna get whatever body I give you, plus this personality. But summer skin has always been super important to me, and I think it's important to focus on your skin in those transition months because, you know, things are happening in the air. Moisture is on some days and off some days, and my skin is dry. You guys know this. I have dry skin. So I like to make sure that my skincare is on point as much as possible, and having a really good cleanser is the number one thing for me right now, especially because I've been wearing makeup a lot more recently. I love this stuff. Now this definitely has like a more natural scent, but I'm okay with that because, you know, you put on your moisturizers and all that stuff. Nobody's gonna smell your faces. You're gonna be fine. Now to go with my new cleanser, I also purchased the 100% natural or pure Haitian Moringa oil. It's a nourishing face and body oil. I get the smaller sizes because I also use them to travel as well. So I probably will be purchasing a larger bottle for the house, you know. But to test out the combination, I started with the smaller bottles. Also, I've already had the Haitian Moringa oil, so this one was sent to me. It's empty, as you can see. And so I repurchased a second one. When I was using this consistently, my skin was at its fleekiest, so I feel like having the combination of the facial cleanser and the oil is like a match made in heaven. Now I will say this, Moringa is great because it eliminates blemishes, it helps even out dark spots, under eye, that's me, it fights eczema and razor bumps, and it's also loaded with antioxidants to combat free radical damage that can lead to formation of wrinkles. Okay, so you can use the Moringa oil all over your body. So I like to also add a few drops to my lotion, especially on my legs, because summer skin is not just about your face, it's about your whole body. Okay, the next products that I want to share with you guys are from a company called Viv and Jules Natural Products, and I was actually fortunate enough to meet the owner a couple weeks ago. She is super duper sweet. She specializes in natural products for the hair and the skin, so it's handmade vegan products. The first is the Jasmine Rose Clay Body Bar. I haven't used this yet, and that is for a specific reason. It's not because I don't like it. It's because this thing literally smells like potpourri. Not even potpourri. It smells like perfume, and I'm too afraid to use it because it's just so pretty. It's so beautiful, but also I'm just finishing up my current soap before I use this, but it smells really, really great. It's a very perfumey scent. It does feel super moisturizing just by touching it. It's not oily or anything, but it almost feels like a balm. B-A-L-M, balm, a balm. So I actually look forward to trying this. It just smells so good. Even in the wrapping, it smells amazing. This is their natural hair growth oil. Now I only have a sample size bottle, but I have been using it for a couple of weeks now. I might say 2 weeks, and while I don't know about the hair growth, I gotta tell you guys about that as I continue to use it and maybe get a full size jar. I will say that this has been instrumental in making my hair easier to manage when it comes to moisturizing my scalp and just you know, oiling my scalp. This has made it easier to detangle the new growth. It's all new growth because my hair is natural, but this just has really softened those roots and just made it easier to comb through and detangle to rebraid. So I am currently loving this. This smells really good too. This smells like a perfumed castor oil, but I don't know what's in it. Don't quote me on that. Check out the website listed in the description box below to figure out what's in this. And you can contact them also. You can contact her. Carly is her name. You can contact her for natural hair advice as well. So that's really cool. The last set of products that I want to show you is from a company that I have become obsessed with. Obsessed. It's JLuxe Cosmetics, and I also met the owner at the pop-up brunch that I hosted with Haitian AF. My guys, this t-shirt is also by Haitian AF. I have a coupon code. It's in the description box below, so make sure you use it. But she was there. She came all the way from Canada to Brooklyn to be with us, so I really appreciate her. And the first product that I purchased is an eyeshadow palette. And I can honestly tell you that this is my favorite so far. Like, it's my favorite palette that I have right now. The colors are super pigmented. The reason why I'm not opening it right now is because I dropped it. I'm going to open it, but I want to remind you again that this is a judgment-free zone, which means no judgment when I open this, okay? Thank you. So this is what's left of the palette. As you can see, as you can see, there is a wide range of colors. So you have your neutrals, you have some shimmer and some matte, you have purples, blues, bluish greens, I don't know what that was. You have your super glitters, which these are actually kind of like cream. So those are really interesting to use, but I feel like it helps the glitter stick onto your eyelids better. You have your orange, your what was a hot pinkish purple color, fuchsia. You have gold, even a white, and then some more neutral matte and shimmer shades. I love this as a transition color. I love this in the outer V area. I've been using this color like crazy, this color like crazy. I'm just really loving this entire palette. I love the colors. The one thing I will say though, can we get mirrors in our palettes? Please, I need a mirror in my palette. Thank you so much. But I absolutely love that, and the palette was $25, which I think is a super reasonable price for a palette with this many shades. I mean, it is 35 shades. There are 35 shades in this palette, so that's less than $1 per shade. The next product that I picked up is a matte lip gloss. This is in the color number 10, which is MONDAZE. I love this particular shade because it is like the perfect nude. I've never found a nude that I didn't want to put a lighter color in the center or needed to really, really line my lips. This, I'm actually okay with lining my lip in a shade that's the same color, or this I'm actually okay with lining my lips with a liner in the same shade, which is crazy for me. So I feel like this is a true nude for me. Like, this is a brown girl nude. The next two items that I got are also lip products. They are matte lipsticks. The first one I'm actually wearing right now, and I have been completely addicted to. So I've been loving the color orange lately, and I was super scared about trying orange lipstick for the first time. This is actually a matte lipstick. When I tell you guys that I wore this 3 times this week, like, it is neon. Like, I lined my lips with a brown liner to tone it down a little, just because, you know, it's just a regular day. but this is a neon color. Like, it is neon. The pigmentation is crazy. It's not streaky. It's pretty thick. What I love about all of the lip products that I'm going to show you guys is they do not go anywhere. They are matte. They do not feel drying at all. No lie. Like, I swear on everything. No lie. These products do not feel any kind of dry or stripping at all. And they don't go anywhere. Anywhere. You can eat, you can drink. I can eat all the banana I want and I will still have lipstick on. That's amazing. The next one that I got is in a really rich red. This is like a true bright red. It is a red. I don't know what red is. And again, super pigmented. Just insane. Insane. The coloring on these is absolutely crazy. I think that she did a wonderful job. It's a wonderful formula. And what I love about it as well is that it's a business that she started with her mom. Unfortunately, her mom passed away a few years ago, but she is continuing their project and continuing her mom's dream by making sure that this company puts out amazing products. I'm really proud and excited to share products with you guys from a country that I absolutely love and that are putting out a level of excellence that is unmatched at the moment. So I am so happy that I was able to share with you guys products from 3 Haitian and female-owned businesses. So shout out to those ladies. And of course, there are men involved in some of these businesses, but shout out to the women behind these businesses. They're amazing. Shout out to my country. Hello. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you discovered some new products or new businesses that you want to check out. If you have any favorite Haitian-owned businesses, please leave them in the comments down below. And you know, I would love to try and put on businesses from all different areas, but I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, Haiti is my first priority. So that is why I want to make sure that I introduce some of these businesses to as many of you guys as I possibly can. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more products, you want me to test out some more products or just haul some more products, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you were into it. If you are not subscribed, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but stop procrastinating. Jesus told me to tell you to stop procrastinating. Give that up for Lent. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you're never late to the reunion, okay? I'll see you guys next time. Remember, whether you're milk cocoa, dark cocoa, whatever kind of cocoa you want to be, you are and will always be a goddess. I'll see you guys next time.